Hello and welcome to my, I guess you'd call it a follow-up video or just letting people know what's going on video. Um, I just wanted to let people know I'm not done on the Nexus. I'm still playing. I've just been kind of busy. I've gotten my first game published, which is this one right here, the TheVampireDragun one. Uh, After 2 weeks of fighting, trying to figure out what I was doing, what I needed to do to get it published, I finally got it up. It's not a very big program. It's simple, just little time waster game. But it's just a basic follow along, build this type of game. I've got all the information on how to play it, um, what the book is I learned from, how to get a hold of me, so on and so forth. Um, but that's my first game that I've published, and it's, as you can see, it's free. Um, if anybody downloads it and actually likes it, a rating would be cool, but it ain't required. I mean, I'm not gonna beg for them. I'm just asking if you like it, go ahead and rate it, but it ain't the end of the world. But on to more news. A game I've been working on for some time. Let's see, I need to fix this. This is a game I've been working on for quite a while. I stopped on this for a while to work uh, on the one that I just showed you. This is gonna be my first person shooter when I get done with it. It's also a follow along, but it's not a by the books type of game. I'm going to do the follow along thing, and then once I hit the end of that, I'm gonna start tweaking it, changing, adding my own stuff, change the code. I'm gonna basically revamp the whole entire thing and make it my own. I'm just following uh, the channel called what is it, Gamer to Game Developer. I think that's the name of the channel on YouTube. I've bought both of his tutorials, and I figured once I do all that and I figure out how to do the rest of the stuff I want to do, because I want to make this a first-person shooter, and this won't be the map. This is just a test map. I want to have an actual city map with buildings and openings that you can shoot from one building to the next. I want to make it like a urban assault type thing. Maybe have multiple maps you can choose from, kind of like Halo or Quake, something like that. But let's see. Let me open. Can I open a different scene in this same project? Probably not. No. Okay. But this one won't be free, but I'm not gonna charge. It'll probably be $5 at most. No, don't save. It's gonna cost me $100 just to get my license on Steam, so I can't really justify putting a game up once I get past the tutorial and start programming my own stuff into a game, making my own game. I can't really justify just giving it away for free if it's gonna cost me $100 to put it up. So, I mean, I would love to, but being that it's costing that much, I can't really see just giving away something that's going to cost me $100. I mean, I might do a, what do you call it, a donation thing, to where, like, if you donate, I can put your name into the credits for the game of, like, supporters or something like that, or whatever the case may be. But like I said, right now, this is just a follow along. This is not going to be the actual game that I put up. The game's going to be a lot further along than this. I'm going to probably have it further along than Beasts of Prey or anything like that when I put it up, because I'm not gonna ask for donations or charge people for a game that I don't know how to fix. So, but I just wanted to let people know that, like I said, I'm not done. I'm not done on the Nexus. I'm still playing Minecraft. It's just I don't have much time here lately. I can't really think of what I'm trying to say. Let's see. There should be another scene with different stuff in it. Open project. I think in the one I'm wanting to show is this one, the one I showed first time. But like I said, I'm headstrong about doing this. I want to get this done. I want to actually start making money at this. Not like tons of money, but I'd like to be able to supplement my income because I've only worked 14 hours this last month. So it's kind of, we're hurting, and anything I can bring in to help me and my wife would be a big help, of course. Okay, that wasn't it. I've got so many different testing and all that stuff going on. There we go. Okay, let's see if I can remember how to do this. File, build and run. Build and run. Let's do that. Prototype. Yes, replace it. This one here is not a single player. This is going to be a multiplayer only here because this is what he's teaching how to build. I don't know how to build a single player yet. Once it gets done, once I get done showing this stuff off, though, I'm going to sign off and go to bed. I've been up for 20 hours almost, so if you can't tell it my voice, I am beat. Plus, my dad's coming down this weekend. Okay, let's see. We'll click play here. Oh, come on. Come on, slow computer. Start up a server. Start my own server. Okay, we'll do this. And drag it back onto the screen. Connect to a server. Connect. Join blue team. Oh, I keep forgetting about that. I need to just fix the spawn for blue team. The blue team falls to the world. But as you can see, that's supposed to be water here, but it's not set up yet. And see, it's got particles. If I move this to my other monitor, and let's see, where am I at? As you can see in there, you can see when I'm firing. Oh, there, you can see me moving around on the bottom screen. That's the actual game window. That's what the server sees. So if whatever view I set the server at, that's what the server would see. But I move this back over here. So far, this is all I've got. I've added in textures. I've added in this fire rate. I haven't added in any other weapons yet. That one that's in the other one is another weapon I'm working on. This is going to be like a laser type gun, and the other one's going to be a plasma cannon or something. But I've added in trees, just a few. The grass textures I added in, I got rid of. But like I said, I added a mountain. But like I said, I just wanted to show off what I've done so far, and I'm far from done. It's going to be probably at least next year before I even get close to releasing a prototype. Oops. But anyways, disconnect, exit. Excuse me. Anyways, I am run ragged right now. It's late in the evening. Well, late for me, being a night shift worker. It's almost noon, and I'm usually in bed by 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, somewhere around there. Well, maybe not so much. It depends on what day it is. But anyways, I'm rambling. I'm tired, that's why. I am going to let y'all go. I appreciate the views, and I appreciate the support. I may be starting up a donation type thing for anybody interested that's willing to help or wants to help somebody that's aspiring to better themselves in a career that they're trying to get into, and maybe just help out in general. But it is not necessary. It's just if you want to, then I'll have it up on my YouTube account. Anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. Take it easy. Bye.